morning. Our project title is innovative method of mounting the shaft with the trolley assembly. We are the project members Nirmal, Prem Kumar and Sridhar. We did the project in Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited in Ranipet. Abstract.
In our project to design the blade shaft. In this method, induced fan in new method 800 megawatt in thermal power plant. In existing method 600 megawatt only in thermal power plant. In new method of ID fan 800 megawatt. We observe the already existing method. Major problem will strain because nearly up to 32 kgs in blade shaft. Moreover, not safely in human. High skilled operator needed using the crane operator. This overcomes feeding the shaft based the certain height and ground level. And to trolley designers, PROE software packages and components, plate, rod and ball bearing, etc. Introduction. Fans is a turbo machines is used energy transfer or fuel transfer. This is two types of fans, axial flow and radial flow. Axial flow is parallel to rotation of entry and exit method, and the radial fan is perpendicular to the axis, inlet and outlet. Features of the axial profile fan: casing, impeller assembled, shaft with bearing assembled, servo motor. Is continue.
Casing. The function of casing is to prevent the environmental pollution. It also acts as safeguard against accident. It is made to cast and to fabricate the steel plate. The casing of the impeller does not perform any pneumatic function. Impeller assembly. Shaft with bearing assembly. The bearing of for fan is placed inside the common housing and they are sharp assembled on the shaft. It is very compact as the housing is placed inside the static hub with which guide for flow to the impeller. Shell with bush assembly. Various components of ID fan: blade shaft, ball bearing, lock nut, counterweight hub, vane blade, etc. Hydraulic multiple bit hub picture. Present method. In this method, the blade shaft is carried out with the help of special tool. In this special tool, one end is fitted to blade shaft, another end is which has counterweight in order to balance the total weight of the tool and the shaft. So in this process, every blade shaft is carried out with the help of tool by using the crane. According to this method, utilizing the crane is more and the cycle time also increase, which we have already discussed in abstract itself. New method. In this new method, we are implemented a trolley type assemble for feeding the shaft inside the bore. For that, we need 6 plates, 3 rod and 1 ball bearing. 1 plate is used for blade dimensions 50, 30 and 1000. 6 ball bearing which runs over a rail. Design of trolley. Design of trolley assemble. Mounting the shaft. Trial implementation. We have successfully completed the assemble of blade shaft bearing by trolley assemble method. Productivity improvement. Job is more rigid and safe during the mission. All the results were satisfactory. Before project, after project. 40% of job rejection due to damage, most cycle time. Unsafe may occur during working. After project, 0 rejection, cycle time reduced, safe to humans. Overall advantages. Wastage of material is reduced when compared to old method. Less assemble time and cycle time. Good job rigidity during feeding. Possible for most mass production. Reduce manpower. Thank you.